1. The Arabian horse price, up to millions of dollars. Reason: its exquisite beauty, distinguished lineage, and exceptional speed and strength in races. 2. The Tibetan Mastiff price, up to $2 million. Reason: the rarity of the breed, its large size, and its value as a guard dog. 3. The Holstein cow price, up to $1.2 million. Reason: its high milk production and pure lineage. 4. The Hyacinth macaw price, up to $40,000. Reason: its vibrant blue color, rarity, and longevity. 5. The Bluefin Tuna price, up to $3 million. Reason: high demand in the sushi industry and its value in the Japanese market. 6. The White Elephant price, up to $100,000. Reason: its rarity and cultural and spiritual significance in some Asian countries. 7. Missy the cow price, up to $1.2 million. Reason: high milk production and physical beauty. 8. The English Bulldog price, up to $3,000. Reason: its popularity, unique appearance, and high maintenance costs. 9. The Ashera cat price, up to $125,000. Reason: the rarity of the breed, its beauty, and it being a hybrid of wild and domestic cats. 10. The African gray parrot price, up to $4,000. Reason: its high intelligence and ability to mimic human speech. Notes: prices can vary based on lineage, age, health, and other factors. Care and training. Some of these animals require special care and training, which increases their value. This list includes some of the most expensive animals and birds globally, attracting attention for their beauty, rarity, or special features that make them unique.